What if I told you that the most exciting drone of 2026 is already finished, but DJI is intentionally holding it back? The upcoming DJI Avata 360 isn't just another FPV drone. It's a hybrid machine designed to combine high-speed immersive flying with professional-grade 360-degree cinematography. And yes, it's real. The drone has already passed regulatory approvals and leaked hands-on photos confirm it's production-ready. So why hasn't it launched yet? According to industry sources, the delay isn't due to technical problems. It's strategic. Originally, DJI planned to launch the Avata 360 earlier. But things changed when rival Insta360 accelerated its own plans for a next-generation aerial 360 platform. Instead of rushing to market, DJI made a calculated decision: slow down, refine the product, and make sure it launches with a clear technological advantage. And that brings us to the real reason for the extra time: software. The Avata 360 is doing something extremely complex. It uses two ultra-wide 180-degree lenses, one facing upward and one downward, to capture a full spherical image. But capturing footage is only half the challenge. The real magic is seamless real-time stitching. DJI is reportedly optimizing its system to deliver true 8K 360 video with smooth mobile editing, stable AI subject tracking, and flawless horizon leveling. If the stitching fails or glitches, the entire experience falls apart. And DJI knows its reputation depends on getting this right from day one. There's also a market strategy at play. With ongoing regulatory pressure in the United States, sources suggest DJI may prioritize Asian markets first, followed by a global rollout. This phased launch helps reduce risk while building early momentum. Now let's talk timing and price. Current leaks point to a mid-March release window. The base version is expected to start around $450, making it surprisingly affordable for a professional-grade 360 platform. But that's just the entry level. A bundle with the RC2 controller could land around $700, while the full Fly More package, including FPV goggles and extra batteries, may approach $1,000. And the specs are impressive. We're looking at 8K seamless 360 video, up to 120 megapixel photos, around 25 minutes of flight time, a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, AI tracking and semi-autonomous flight features. Perhaps the most impressive effect? In 360 footage, the drone itself becomes invisible, creating that floating, cinematic camera perspective creators love. This isn't designed as a beginner toy. The Avata 360 is aimed at professional creators, action sports filmmakers, and immersive content producers. It bridges the gap between adrenaline-filled FPV flying and cinematic storytelling, essentially creating an entirely new category of drone. And that's why the delay makes sense. DJI isn't late. They're preparing a statement. If the final product delivers on these promises, the Avata 360 could redefine aerial content creation in 2026. What do you think, game changer or just hype? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the bell icon for more tech leaks and insider updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.